Hi, my name is Sue. I'm with Georgia Career Institute on behalf of Expert Village, and we're going to talk about freehand nail art today. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a flower freehand. I would use the black polish and silver. I would make like a leaf stroke, out, then in, out, then in, and do that to all 5 of them, or however many petals as you'd like. I would always start from the middle to come in because sometimes it looks funny when it's going the opposite way. And you'd want to draw like a little leaf coming out of it. We'll dot it with the silver. And you can also do this. And then you would apply the top coat, and the shine will come off the polish.